Hey, Christian Jones here with Fireworks and Marketer. This is the final video in our visibility series, if you will. Everything in marketing should be at first geared towards getting eyeballs on your business online, your Google profile, and your website. We're going to talk about website in this video. So we've talked about your Google business profile and the importance of getting reviews. The other side of how you can rank well on Google is your website. Well, I want to talk about your website having two jobs. The first is SEO oriented. And SEO, again, is search engine optimization. How do I optimize my website to rank well on Google? It's not a given that because you just have a good-looking site that you built in Squarespace that Google is going to reward you. Aesthetic and design is important. I don't want you to have a terrible-looking website, but I've seen way more beautiful websites that don't rank than I've seen actually poorly designed sites that have good SEO rank, if that makes sense. You can have both, but your website's first job is to speak well with Google and help your business rank. When you look at a Google page, when you do a local business search, normally there's an ad. In our industry, there isn't. Then there's a map where you have your Google business profile, and then beneath that, there's websites. Do a search now for fireworks stores, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. A map with 3 businesses, and then a section beneath with websites. Your website and your Google business profile can and should rank in 2 places on page 1. I want you in the map, and I want you beneath the map with your website. That area beneath the map has way more to do with your website than any other component, and it's the back end of your website. That's what matters. It's the stuff that you probably don't know how to handle and don't see all the time. It's not your content or your images or your contact information. It's none of that. It's back-end connection points to Google to help them know, here's what I'm trying to do, and using their systems. The second point of your website is lead conversion. The first thing is SEO. The second thing is when people are on your website and in your store, but we'll stay on the website for now, we should have a clear pathway for them to give you their name, email, and phone number so that we can send them texts and emails both now and in the future. Your website should make some offer and have some way of incentivizing the user to give you their information, because now we're moving down the funnel from visibility to relationship building and engagement. If your website has no means of producing form fills or contact information gathering, your website has a gap. And not all call to actions are created equal. An elegant, clear way for someone to say, here's my name, here's my email, here's my phone number, because I want this offer. Now we can build a customer database that we market to in the future. This is what all good marketing looks like. Follow-up, relationship building, not just being dependent on, I hope you find me next year. Let's build rapport, but we need their information to get it. That's what your website can do. So again, 2 things your website does. Helps you rank on Google, and it should help you get your prospective customers' information. We help with all of that. But even if you wanted to run with it yourself, those are the 2 pillars that we use. If you want to explore what that looks like for us to do it for you, we'd be glad to connect. But I hope that's helpful and orienting as it relates to how to build your website. Thanks.